Lots of people have seen the green up arrows and red down arrows when talking about the stock market. But what do they really mean? What is the stock market exactly? My name is Travis Lesack, and I'm here to tell you just about that. The stock market is a place where people invest in a company and buy shares or metaphorically parts of a company. Outside factors can greatly affect the stock market. I started my mock stock market account in January, before COVID-19 was destructing our world. The stock market was greatly affected by this global pandemic. I learned this the hard way. My fake money plummeted. I lost thousands of dollars in weeks. I learned that you must be prepared for these types of things. I made a game investing my money in companies everyone has heard of: Best Buy, Costco, Walmart, Apple, Amazon, Nike, and Starbucks. And another game investing my money on stocks that most people haven't heard of. For example, LM Ericsson, Telefon, AB-sponsored ADR, GrafTech, Innovo Pharmaceuticals, and IIVI Inc. To everyone's surprise, the more well-known companies made about $1,000, and the less-known companies lost about $750. I figure this because most people shop and visit more at well-known places like Walmart than shopping and visiting at LM Ericsson, Telefon, and AB-sponsored ADR. This is Amazon's stock graph. A stock graph is simply just a graph that shows the progression of money through a company's time period. As you see up here in this corner, the letters AMZN are in there. But what does that mean? All companies have one. All companies have those letters, but not a lot of people know what it means. AMZN is Amazon's ticker. The ticker is usually a 2 to 5 letter name that companies give their company so people can search them up when they're talking about stock. There's this giant blue line here that goes all the way across my screen. It tells you when the company started letting people invest in stock and where you are right now. So as you can see, Amazon started letting people invest in stock on May 11th, 1997, and it runs all the way till today, which is May 13th, 2020. As you can see, Amazon had a kind of slow start to its stocks. They raised a little bit in 1999 to 2000, but then they fell back down and was on this kind of like low streak from like 2000 to 2007. Didn't gain much money or do much. But as you can see, around 2014, they started raising. They started raising fast. In 2014, one share of Amazon stock was around $400. Now it costs $2,361. And Amazon stock started at around $1.50 per share. $1.50 isn't that much. If you think about it, if you would have bought 100 shares of Amazon stock in 1997 and sold them today, you would have made $235,971. It's a lot of money. As you can see up here, there's these three. It says short-term, mid-term, and long-term. It's a short-term bearish. Bearish means that the company's short-term money is going down. They say bearish because when a bear strikes or when a bear attacks, the bear's claw comes down the downward angle. But it says mid-term and long-term bullish. When it says mid-term and long-term bullish, it means that the company's money is going up, because when a bull attacks, its horns go up, like they come in and then they go up. In the description, you'll find a link that will say like Scenario Game Stock Simulator. If you click that link, it'll take you to a game. It'll take you to a site that looks like this. This is simply just a game that you can play to test what you have learned. You start with $10,000 and it starts tomorrow. If when you go to this site, you get to the site, you click here. When you click there, it'll take you to a site that looks like this. When you get to this page, you just type in your email address, username, password, and then you have to type in your password again. Then when you register and it'll take you to this. This is just your home, like where all of the stock, where you can buy, trade, and sell stocks. So if you want to buy, let's say Starbucks. If you want to buy Starbucks, their ticker is SBUX. And then you want to buy some, and then if you want 10 shares, you type in 10, and then you confirm your order. Thank you for watching my scenario. I hope you learned something about the stock market.